Hello students, I am Irfana Mulla from Anna Sahib Magar Mahavidyalaya, Hadapsar. First of all, I welcome you in my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discussing about MCQs of control and coordination topic. Our first question is, brain is ... in origin. Ectodermal, mesodermal, endodermal, ecto and endodermal. Friends, you know about that. From in our embryonic developmental stages, we goes from number of different stages, that is from fertilization up to the fetus formation. There are morula stage, blastula stage, gastrulation process is also occurred. In that stages, the blastula stage is made by three layers: endoderm, mesoderm and ectoderm, and some parts of our body are made by ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Our brain and retinal layer of our eyes are made up of a ectoderm. So the correct option of that question is option number 1, ectodermal. That is, our brain is ectodermal in origin. Next question. Two cerebral hemispheres are joined by ... There are also four options: vermis, corpus callosum, isthmus, corpora quadragemina. From that four options, the correct option is corpus callosum, because our brain is having two cerebral hemispheres, right and left. Right and left cerebral hemisphere is connected with the help of corpus callosum. Third question. Foramen of Monro is an aperture between Foramen of Monro is crescentic shaped interventricular aperture which connect lateral ventricle to the third ventricle. This aperture allows cerebrospinal fluid to transfer from second ventricle to the third ventricle. So the correct option or correct answer for that question is second and third ventricle. That is option number A. In fourth question, crura cerebri is found in forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain and spinal cord. The correct answer of that question is midbrain. That means the location of crura cerebri is in midbrain. Now we will discussing about fifth question. One of these helps in regulation of respiration: medulla oblongata, pons varoli, corpora quadragemina, A and B. The correct answer for that question is medulla oblongata. Means main function of medulla oblongata is all involuntary activities. Medulla oblongata performs our involuntary activities, and so that the correct answer for that question is medulla oblongata. Now the next question. Anterior choroid plexus is present in ... There are also four options are present: cerebral hemisphere, diencephalon, medulla oblongata and olfactory lobes. The correct option for that question is diencephalon. Now the next question. Which part of mammalian brain controls muscular coordination? Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata and corpus callosum. Friends, you know about that. All muscular contraction and relaxation are called as voluntary activities, and all voluntary activities are controlled. Voluntary activities of our body are controlled by cerebellum, and so that the correct answer for that question is cerebellum. Now the next question, medulla oblongata encloses ... fourth ventricle, optic lobe, second ventricle, optic capsule. The fourth ventricle is rhomboid shaped fluid filled cavity which encloses in anterior part of the medulla oblongata. So the correct answer for that question is fourth ventricle. Now the next question is, loss of memory is results from injury to the ... corpora quadragemina, crura cerebri, cerebellum and cerebrum. The correct option for that question is cerebrum, because memory, intelligence, releasing speech, emotions and expression are the functions of cerebrum. That means all involuntary activities are controlled by our cerebral hemisphere, that is cerebrum, and so that loss of memory is results from injury to the cerebrum, that is fourth option. Next question is, vomiting and respiratory centers are located in ... medulla, cerebrum, hypothalamus and cerebellum. The correct option for that question is medulla oblongata, because vomiting and chemoreceptor trigger centers are located in medulla oblongata. So the correct answer for that question is option number 1, medulla oblongata. Question number 11. In daily routine, standing and walking is controlled by which part of brain? Cerebrum, frontal lobe, cerebellum and optic lobe. The correct option for that question is cerebellum, because cerebellum controls posture and equilibrium of our body, and so that the correct answer for that question is cerebellum. Question number 12. Uter is an opening and the part of ... lungs, brain, alimentary canal and spinal cord. In our brain, there are also cavities are present. They are called as a ventricle, and the cavity is also present in the spinal cord. The cavity of spinal cord is called as uter cavity. So the correct option for that question is option number D, spinal cord. Next question. Which of the following is called as forebrain? Telencephalon, mesencephalon, prosencephalon and rhombencephalon. The correct answer for that question is prosencephalon, because forebrain is also called as a prosencephalon. Next question, and this is the last question of today's lecture. Which part of brain only responsible for consciousness? Option number A, cerebrum, B, cerebellum, C, diencephalon and D, medulla oblongata. The correct answer for that question is cerebrum. Okay friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.